Hi viewers, welcome to Feel Your Soul. Thank you for watching. So today it's a collective reading. So I will pull 3 cards. It can be energies, sometimes it can be situation. So based on that clarifies, the reading will go on. Okay. So when you are watching, anyway I am keeping timestamps. So if you think that the situation is matching or one of the energy matching with you, your current energy, then you can watch the reading. It will help you to understand the situation clearly. Or in it is like if at all you are dealing some kind of difficult situation, then you will understand how to come out of it because of other energies. Because one energy is matching with you means definitely some other energies also involved in your life. That is also one reason why we get 3 energies same reading. Okay, so it will be situation or it will be like different energies, but if at all one energy is matching with you, then knowingly or unknowingly you are dealing with 2 other energies. Just you need to understand who they are. Okay, if at all it is situation, you no need to do all those things, because anyway you complete understand, you will get the complete picture of that situation. Okay, so let's get into the reading. We will pull 3 cards so that we will see the situation or energies. 3 cards. Cards are very much hurry. Three cards. What happened today's reading? Today cards are jumping like anything. So anyway, I need only 3 cards. So there is so much, I think. Why I remove Page of Swords is, it is like a spine card, so I don't think it is much needed. So it's simply here I found the situation. The cards are lovers, 2 people in the connection, whether they may be twin flames. Mostly lovers is like twin flame only. Okay, and the other card is the Hanged Man, which is in the reverse. That means the person, whoever may be in the situation of Hanged Man, they are coming out from that stuck situation. And the third one is 10 of Wands, whoever in the 10 of Wands energy, who is carrying lot of burdens on their shoulders. Finally they are putting these burdens down. Okay, so now I cannot say that these 2 people are in the lover situation. Okay, because here I am not sensing that. Okay, whatever it may be, still I cannot say that these people are these lovers. It can be based on the complete reading, we can decide who is who. Okay, so now here the zodiac signs are lovers is Gemini, Hanged Man is Pisces, 10 of Wands in the reverse or upright, it is a Sagittarius. Strong Sagittarius, strong Pisces, Gemini, lovers. So lovers, it is for lovers. I will pull 3 cards, clarifies. 3 clarifies, which will explain a little bit more about these lovers. 3 clarifies for lovers. 3 clarifies. 2 more clarifies. One more clarify. Only one. Today's reading full of love, I think. One more clarify. Because wow, great. Queen of Cups, full of love. Clingy man, what you are doing in the lovers should not be clingy in love relationships. So here for lovers we got 3 clarifies. I think these 2 people are in the connection. One is 4 of Pentacles and 2 of Cups. These lovers are like 2 of Cups energy. That means very well. Actually, this union is a beautiful union because two of cups came out and the lovers came out. They may be soulmates as well as twin flames. They are not just soulmates. They may be soulmates as well as twin flames. Maybe this lover north nodes maybe have some purpose. They maybe have some purpose, and now maybe they don't know that they are. They are in the connection. Okay, two people are in the connection. They are in the loving connection, but they don't know that these people not just soulmates. They are twin flames also. Okay, there is a difference between soulmates and twin flame. Soulmates means whoever meet our soul level or whoever understand us in the soul level, we will call them soulmates. Okay, so here the chemistry, the intimacy will be very good, in the well mannered, very good, very understanding. They will trust each other. There is a lot of trust. I can say, or a lot of love, care, understanding. Everything will be there, like match, perfect match. That is also one reason union protect them. Okay, so here I think these people don't know that they are in the they are twin flames. Why I said is they are lovers. When you are in the when you are in the soulmate connection, if you don't do inner work also, you will be together. It is like understanding each other. Oh, one person is wrong also, other person will bear with them, having a lot of patience and bearing with them. Here same thing is happening. We will come to this lovers card next, okay, afterwards, okay, because lovers have some purpose. They will be having some purpose. That's why I want to talk. It is current energies. It is the story about the lovers. So here these two people, as of now, currently when they are, if at all you are the two of people whoever watching, so you two people are like loving connection where you people are well matched with each other. It is like beautiful couple, and I think you people are very good at understanding each other, and sharing that cup of love to each other. But the thing is, now in this couple, maybe when you are meeting, actually energies are like this, two of cups, but in this couple one person is four of pentacles, one person is queen of cups. Here I cannot say who is four of pentacles and who is queen of cups. Depends on the energies, you can understand. Okay, because couples we cannot tell that this is exact person or this is exact person. Even though it is a female card, queen of cups means feminine energy, doesn't mean that it is female person in that connection. It may be men who is involved in that connection. It may be men, but they are in the feminine energy. This may be men, but this may be female, but they are operating for masculine energy. So that's the reason when it comes to couple reading, we won't tell that who is who. We cannot tell that. We cannot exactly tell that who is who. So in this connection, it is a very beautiful connection. It is really a divinely guided union, I can say, or they may be having that bonding from very long time. It is not just one lifetime, because they are two of cups as well as they are twin flame union. That means they may be sharing this union from very long lives, like some 100 years, 200 years, 500 years. That's why their bond is very much strong and very much protected. Maybe this person had purpose in each and every lifetime. I cannot say that whether they achieved that purpose each and every lifetime, but they had purpose in each and every lifetime. That is also one reason. Completely protected. This union completely protected. So here, but the thing is, as of now, this is a problem. When you are in the two of cups energy, it will be good. But when it comes to lovers energy, that means twin flame union, you need to work on yourself. As I said, soulmates mean when we are living with our family, every family member is different, but still we bear with them because they are we understand them. We understand, okay, this person is like this only. We will accept them like that. But when it comes to lovers, it won't be like that. Understanding means, if at all you have some things you need to change, not for your partner, you need to change yourself for your purpose, because twin flames hold that purpose. For that purpose, you should have some different behavior. You cannot operate in the same level. So here in this connection, when these people, you may be two of cups, you are the person who is four of pentacles. One person is very clingy, very materialistic, very greedy. This person only knows what is money. They talk money, they walk money, they eat money, they run money. they are completely money minded person. And one person is completely loving, caring, full of love. They only speak love language. Queen of Cups. They know only love language. What is love? Even though some people are not good, still they understand them in the loving way. Because Queen of Cups is a motherly energy. Motherly love. They give everyone that motherly love. That means this person is psychic also, and the healer kind of person, and teaching people, motivating people, understanding people, because this person knows how to love themselves. That is also one reason they filled completely with love, and whenever someone come towards them, they see that person in that loving way. In one simple word, even though they met with criminal, a whole world see that criminal as a criminal, but this person see that criminal good side of that criminal. That is the beauty of this Queen of Cups. Even they are criminal, every whole world tell that they are criminal, but the Queen of Cups can see, not just in the criminal, everyone. They see the good side of the human beings. They see in the world also. There may be a lot happening on the planet. There may be a lot of dark things may be there in the planet. But this Queen of Cups have the ability to see the good side instead of concentrating on the dark side. And here, this person, Four of Pentacles, is very greedy. I cannot say they are devil energy, but some way it is like devil means completely dark, but this person is not completely dark, but it is like very materialistic. They can do it. Moreover, this person is not a wealthy person also, very rich person, because this is just Four of Pentacles. Greedy person, who don't know how to change, who don't know how to upgrade themselves, who don't know how to think in a different way, who don't know how to take the risk, because they will be having a lot of insecurities, a lot of fears. Mostly fear of losing money, fear of losing that power, whatever they may be, wherever they may be, losing that things, materialistically especially, that nothing but living in the comfort zone. They are very much attached to that comfort zone. So these two people are in the Two of Cups energy, very loving couple. But that's what I said. This Queen of Cups have ability to see the good things in others. That is also one reason why, even though this Four of Pentacles is a not good energy, still this Queen of Cups energy is maintaining this Two of Cups union. Here the Four of Pentacles not doing anything. They are simply sitting, feeling selfish one way, greedy, shallow person, who don't allow anyone to touch their belongings, or who don't allow to anyone to use their things, especially when it comes to materialistic things. They want everything for them, or at least they don't want to share their love, care, compassion, not just in the materialistic things, whatever, they don't want to share anything to anyone. But here, Queen of Cups, even though you ask or not, if they see someone, they feel that, because this person can understand that. This person is psychic. Queen of Cups is a psychic person. They can understand. They can see the other people's soul. They can understand what they are, what wounds they may be having within themselves. That is also one reason, even though opposite person is a bad behavior person, bad person, or the criminal, they won't care about. They see that wounds, why they become in that way, and they see the good side of them. they still give that love. And here one thing I am not understanding, this person is very Four of Pentacles, is very much in the materialistic way, but this Queen is Queen of Cups, but here we have Two of Cups. Now we need to see how come it is happening, because there is only one cup, that is Queen of Cups, but here we have Two of Cups. So let's see the outcome for this Four of Pentacles. So outcome for this Four of Pentacles, greedy person. Two of Cups, outcome for the Two of Cups. So I'm asking in a different way. Because I always ask 3 outcomes, but today different outcomes. Anyway, we pull for this person, so 2 outcomes will be for 2 people, and we got it. So here the outcome for this Four of Pentacles is King of Pentacles, and this Two of Cups is Ace of Wands, and the Queen of Cups is King of Wands. So here I think whoever this Four of Pentacles, they are very much greedy, very much materialistic. Outcome also, they want to become King of Pentacles, means one stable king financially. That's what I said. Four of Pentacles is not a rich, wealthy person. It is having money, but not in a healthy way. Okay? And moreover, they have a lot of attachments to money. When we have a lot of attachment to something, we won't get it. Whether it is a relationship, whether it is a thing, whether it is a materialistic thing, whatever may be, we should have only healthy attachments. Then only we will get it. If we get it also, we will hold it for our life. If we have healthy attachments. If we have unhealthy attachments, we won't get it. Even though we get it, if we continue with that unhealthy attachments, we are going to lose it. That's the law of attraction. When people know completely the depth of that law of attraction and all, they will understand these things. So here, this Four of Pentacles is still in the greedy mode. Their aim, I think, they want to become King of Pentacles. They want to become King of Pentacles. They want to have that stable life, especially when it comes to materialistically. When King of Pentacles means they want that money, luxury, abundance. They don't care about family, relationships, love and all. That's why I always say King of Pentacles is having money, nothing more than that. So this person only cares about money, they don't care about anything. So finally I think this Four of Pentacles is coming out as a King of Pentacles. Maybe they are going to get that King of Pentacles energy. They are going to end up in a King of Pentacles energy. And here Queen of Cups is, they are looking for some kind of passion in their life. They want King of Wands in their life. It is like I think this may be looking like a Two of Cups couple, but here in these two people between, there is lack of this passion, Ace of Wands. Because one person is completely materialistic person, they are not giving any F to anything, I can say, because with just money, they need money. I don't even understanding what they will do with money. They can't eat money. When no matter how much money we may be having in the plate, we need to put food to eat, not money. We cannot eat money. This person don't know that. And the person, whoever King of Cups, they want passion. They want passion. They want to be a passionate, courageous. I think in this relationship there is lack of passion. Sexual intimacy is not there. Because the Ace of Wands is simply it is romance or sex. Here Pentacle is there, Cups is there, but there is no passion. There is lack of passion in that connection, in this connection. And this Queen of Cups is a male energy, I can sense, or whatever they may be. They are now looking for this passion in their life. Maybe in the past they are very much loving, caring, but now, as of now, they want this passion in their life. They want to be this passionate, courageous person. They want, especially when it comes to King of Wands, who is seeking, it is like having this sexual relationship or romantic relationship. Here they may be just giving love and all, and this person simply seeking money or greedy. They are in the same greedy energy and they want to become King of Pentacles, and this person is looking for passion. And these two couple, whoever this couple, they need some kind of new beginning in their life. That is Ace of Wands, that is nothing but passionate beginning. They need passionate beginning in their life. That romance or that sex should happen, because here there is no, actually it is a beautiful relation. Two of Cups means everything will be there. Intimacy is there, that love will be there, that affection will be there, feelings will be there, emotions will be there. But here I think only one person is investing in this connection, that is Queen of Cups. Other person is completely in the materialistic way. And now this Queen of Cups, I think, now this Queen of Cups wants some kind of passion in their life. How long just love will work out? Even we are human beings, we need that passion, that sacral chakra also we need to activate, we need to use. But this person only using their heart chakra. Here, that passion should come into the picture, I can say. But these people are lovers also. That means twin flame union. So let's see this Hanged Man clarifies for this Hanged Man. In the reverse, finally this person is coming out of this Hanged Man position. Let's see the clarifies. So 3 clarifies for this Hanged Man. 3 clarifies. Hanged Man in the reverse for 3 clarifies. Oh, 3. That's what I'm on. Knight of Swords, 8 of Swords, Strength card. So I think here the clarifies for this Hanged Man is 8 of Wands, Knight of Swords, Strength card. And so here this person eagerly waiting for some kind of new beginnings, because in the past they may be the Hanged Man position, that means not seeing the things in a different perception. But now they are seeing the things in a different perception. Hanged Man in the reverse is nothing but whatever things will be there, people looking at in the same way. It is reverse means seeing things, those same things in a different way. So now this person started to see the things in a different way, with a different perception, I can say. They are understanding the things in a different perception. And now this person wants some kind of passionate new beginnings in their life. And they are very much active for that. They are ready to get that passionate new beginnings in their life. They don't want to give up on that. Knight of Swords is like going and taking action. No matter what happens, no matter with whom they need to fight, they are going to get that new beginnings, passionate new beginnings, because that is what 8 of Wands. Okay, they want to take this step, and they are feeling very much strong, I can say. They are feeling very much strong, or they are keeping they are holding their strength, because I think this Hanged Man till now they saw the things in a different perception, and now they are seeing the things in a new perception. And that is also one reason when you see some problem in one way only and you won't get the solution for a long time, and suddenly you change your perception and you will find the solution. how you are going to react. You want to go immediately and take that action. That energy it is. Because they find, they started to see the things in a different perception. And that is also one reason this person is, they are ready to move and take that action. To have this 8 of Wands energy. And they are feeling very strong in this situation, I can say. Or they are, at least, they are keeping that strength to get that new beginnings. That 8 of Wands energy. Passionate new beginnings in their life. So let's see the outcome for this 8 of Wands. One more outcome for this Hangerman for whole situation. Okay. Page of Pentacles, 4 of Wands, the Hermit in the reverse. So here, this person finally came out of the stuck situation, because Hangman is one kind of stuck situation where someone know that there is a problem in that situation, but they don't know how to solve it. They don't know how to, that is what, how to solve it, nothing but what is the solution for it. And this person may be in the stuck situation, they may be seeing the thing in the same direction or same perception. No matter for how long they are doing it, they are seeing the situation or problem in the same perception for very long time. And when they changed their perception, they immediately got the solution. And when they immediately got the solution, they are ready to take the action. They want this new beginning. They are very much strong, feeling a lot of strength. They want to come, like they want to take action. Knight of Swords is like taking action, rash action, impulsive action to get this 8 of Wands. But here the thing is, for this outcome for this person is, they lost that new beginning. Whatever 8 of Wands energy is completely passionate new beginnings, they lost it because of their impulsive nature. This energy is not good. No matter, even see, it is like we got the solution, it doesn't mean that we will go and get it. So maybe this person is from very long, they may be in this stuck situation. Finally, when they got that solution, they took that impulsive action. Maybe that is also one reason. They lost this 4 of Wands. They lost the new beginning, which is having the like potential of 4 of Wands, means marriage kind of. The 8 of Wands is like marriage card, or just passionate new beginnings, and 4 of Wands is like marriage card, having union or some kind of romantic. It is like union, wife and husband, marriage, spouse, partnership, where having lot of passion, some kind of twin flame union. 2 of Wands. Twin flame union. We got twin flame. So it is because of their impulsive action, I can say. This person's impulsive action, they lost that new beginning. They lost this chance, missed opportunity. They lost this chance of being in this connection. Okay, whatever connection they may be looking for, this passionate new beginning, whatever they are looking for, they lost that. And no matter how much strong they may be, finally they are end up in the depression, because when they lost, they end up in the depression. Hermit is nothing but depression card. They may be very strong person, but still, because of whatever happened in the situation, maybe they had that's what this spread is like. They are stuck. They finally came out, but they even expected this 8 of Wands new beginning, but because of their rash behavior, no matter how strong they may be, then they lost the chances. They lost this union, they lost that new beginning, and they lost their mental health, I can say, because depression is having some kind of mental health issue. So let's see Who is this Ten of Wands? Why they are keeping that much burden on them? So let's get the clarifies for this Ten of Wands energy. Who is this poor person? Clarifies for this Ten of Wands energy in the reverse. Clarifies for the Ten of Wands energy in the reverse. I think one. Okay. So two more clarifies for the Ten of Wands in the reverse. Two more clarifies. I want only two. So here. So the clarifies for this Ten of Wands is Three of Pentacles, Seven of Cups, King of Swords. So this person may be very hard-working person. They maybe have a lot of options regarding their career-related or regarding the materialistic things or regarding anything in their life. They have a lot of options. And this person is very hard-working person. And maybe because of that hard work also, they got a lot of opportunities in their life. Because Seven of Cups is having so many opportunities in their life. Who can have a lot of opportunities, options. Whether it is related to career related matters, whether it is related to relationships, whether it is related to business proposals, they have a lot of opportunities. And this person is like a king of swords, leader. They are a leader. They lead the people. With their voice, they lead the people. At least they have strong vocal, strong throat chakra. And this person is very logical person, very logical, very intelligent, business minded person. Because King of Swords is business, in especially leadership, very strong leader kind of image. Especially they use their voice. They won't do anything, not showing bodybuilding kind of thing. It is like using their throat chakra to control the people in a good way. Okay, King of Swords is a good way. Using their throat chakra, thinking logically, thinking intelligently. They are very logical, intelligent. They won't entertain emotions into their way to manipulate them. Okay, this person is very hardworking. They have a lot of options. They are in the King of Swords energy. Then how come they became Ten of Wands in the reverse? Maybe all these things made them very burdensome. Three of Pentacles is maybe they started something in the very young age, or they started some business where they got a lot of business or job. Very young age they started working. They are very hardworking person. Because of that hard work, they got a lot of opportunities. They got a lot of knowledge, wisdom, lot of abundance in their life. Because Seven of Cups is having everything, some kind of knowledge, wisdom, abundance, and they become a leader. Especially intelligent business way, are leading the people in some way by using their communication skills. Maybe because of all this, they maybe had a lot of burdens, because very busy person. So let's see the outcome for this Ten of Wands in the reverse. Outcome for this Ten of Wands in the reverse. Not so many cards. I don't want to read their whole life. Only outcome for this Ten of Wands. We got two cards. One more. Two or three. One more card for this Ten of Wands in the reverse. I want only one card. So here Outcome for this Ten of Wands in the reverse is Page of Swords, Three of Pentacles is Page of Swords, Seven of Cups is Healing card, the Star card, King of Swords is like Two of Wands card. So here I think this person is very busy person, because complete spread is like business oriented person. This Two of Wands also business person who do business in the, whether in the partnerships or business oriented person. They may be like a traveler, they may be roam a lot, they do business with lot of people, they are very passionate, very courageous, very intelligent, and they have a lot of wisdom, obviously, because here also we are seeing they have a lot of wisdom. And I think this person is having some kind of spiritual knowledge also, because Seven of Cups one way it is a spiritual knowledge, and King of Swords they are a leader, they lead the people. And here also Two of Wands is nothing but some kind of balanced person, well balanced person. And mostly here I can say this person may be a healer, because spiritual card came, the Star card came, Page of Swords. It is, I think this person is very hardworking person and business oriented person, or they do lot of business, because here I am not sensing any partnerships and all. This person is a single person. There is no partnerships, there is nothing. This person is a single person, and because of their work, they may be doing lot of things in their life. They are very hardworking, they are very focused, and they even seeking for different knowledge, because Seven of Cups is there. They are gaining knowledge from that Seven of Cups, wisdom from that Seven of Cups, and they are using their throat chakra to teach people. Like it is more than teaching, leading the people, guiding the people, leader energy. And Page of Swords is some kind of understanding things or learning things. It is like, even though they are in this King of Swords energy, they still in the learning stage, or I can say this person may be used to learn a lot, because Page of Swords is learning the things, seeing the new things, learning the new things, starting something new, creating some new ideas. Even though they are King of Swords, they still see themselves, or they still hold that student energy. Learning is like student energy, learning, always in the learning, because when you become King of Swords, it is like a leader energy. You lead people, you teach people, you tell people how to train people one way. Okay, but even though they are in the leader, they still keep this Page of Swords, nothing but learning new things, new skills, new ideas. And the spiritual knowledge, whatever Seven of Cups is there, they are earning wisdom, and they are becoming like a healer or becoming a star because of that wisdom, whatever they are learning. They may be become a star, or they are simply like healing, because star is a healing energy. I think this person is a single person, whoever this Ten of Wands energy. This person had achieved lot of things in their life, I can say, or from the starting, from their young age, they started working, they had lot of opportunities, they used that opportunities, they gained lot of wisdom, they finally reached somewhere. It is like a King of Swords, leader energy, where they can lead the people, but still they kept them in the learning stage, where they can learn new things day by day. It is like not getting old, because when you learn every day, you won't get old. You know that? You should be in the student energy, so that we won't get old. And they are shining like a star because of their knowledge, because of their wisdom, because of their spirituality, because Seven of Cups is a spiritual card. So they may be healer also, one way they may be healer, the Star card is. And now this person seeking for partnership, because this person Two of Wands, well balanced person. They may be balanced with their masculine and feminine energy. well balanced with their masculine and feminine energy, or I can say that emotional brain or logical brain. They are well balanced and they are ready for the partnership. They are now seeking for the partnership. Two of Wands are getting into partnerships, whether it is regarding business partnerships or regarding romantic partnerships, because this person is a single person. Here I am not seeing any couple cards or anyone. They are now looking for their, see, I think here whatever they did till now, whoever this 10 of Wands, it may be very difficult for you because you are learning a lot, you are doing a lot, you are one way they are learning, they are working, they are earning some knowledge from different things, they are leading people, they may be taking up some different challenges, and they are seeing the new things and getting the new ideas, implementing the new ideas, and they healing themselves and they healing others. They are taking care of themselves, because star is like shining like a star, simply won't shine. You need to take care of yourself. So this person is doing everything, I can say. They are completely invested in themselves. And maybe because of all this, it became very, because of their professional life, I can say, because here I am not sensing any personal life, they became very burdensome. So now they are dropping that burdens, or they don't want to carry all the burdens. That is also one reason now they end up looking for the partnerships, where they can have partner with whom they can share their burdens. Whatever they are doing in their life, they are doing very good. They are doing very good in their life. So they want to share that whatever they are doing, they want to have that partnership in their life. They want to have partner in the romantic sense as well as in the business sense, because it is a sacral chakra, completely passionate, courageous, and that intelligent, logical beings, which is business come relationship. They are looking for that partnership. They are ready for. They make themselves ready for that partnership, because they are well balanced person. So let me conclude the reading. So here I think, after seeing the spreads, these two people, whoever these two of cups and as well as the lovers, really a very blessed union, because they just not soulmates, they are twin flames, they have some purpose. But here, because of their own mindsets, completely things went wrong, I can say, because in this two of cup connection, they may be married couple, because here we saw some four of wands. These two people are nothing but this hanged man and the 10 of wands energy. This hanged man may be stuck person who is looking for this passion, because this person is giving. Maybe they are pouring their love into the situation. One person is completely money minded, money greedy person. They are not bringing anything to the table except money. But connection means, relationship means, we need that love, we need that passion. But here, this person only bringing the money. They are simply concentrating on the materialistic things. They don't know what is this love, what is this passion, what is this romance. They don't have idea about all those things. Or they may be, it is like they may be having feelings, desires, but what it will happen when we have desire of money, materialistic things, we give last priority to this love, passion and all. Maybe here in this connection, these two people, one person is really investing a lot. They are giving lot to the connection, and return they are not getting anything. And one person is completely clingy towards the materialistic things and all. They have dream of becoming a king of pentacle, where having lot of money, not looking for anything. But what will happen? You will be having king of pentacle, you will be earning money. Then what about the beautiful connection? This person did not looking at that beautiful connection. Whatever the connection they may be having in their life. They are not interested in passion, they are not interested in sex, they are not interested in love. They are simply interested in money, materialistic things. And I think here, whomever is looking for this Knight of Wands, they finally stuck in this relationship. They felt, at least they felt stuck in that union, because this person earning money without just accept money, they are not doing anything. They are not giving anything into the relationship. And connection means not just money. We need to invest ourselves, our emotions, our feelings, our passion. But here only money. And moreover, this person is a very greedy person. Maybe this person not even sharing that money to this Queen of Cups energy, whoever pouring lot of love into the situation, love into the connection. And this person looking for some kind of passion. So that is also one reason. Finally, this person understood that if they want this Ace of Wands energy, that new passionate beginning, they maybe felt that here they are not going to get into this connection. Whatever connection they maybe have, they are not going to get it. So they try to get that passion in somewhere else. So that is nothing but coming out of that Hangman, because they are stuck. Hangman is nothing but stuck in the situation, stuck in the connection. This person completely stuck in this situation. They are giving a lot of love. They have a lot of passion. They want that passion, that love back, but nothing is getting. They are not getting anything. One person is completely selfish. They are materialistic, pure materialistic person. They are not investing anything. And this person wants just love, passion, that beautiful union, that beautiful love, that beautiful romance, that feelings, emotions and all. So I think here this whoever were looking for passion, they finally understood that in this connection they are not going to find out, because they stuck in this situation, I can say. One way or other way, they stuck in the situation, because it is marriage, it is 4 of Wands in the reverse. That means these people are in the marriage, one strong, stable connection. So that is also one reason this person maybe felt stuck in the connection, even though they are not getting anything in the return. See, it's like not even equal give and take. Okay. So here, after maybe they realized that something, they started to see the things in a different perception. That is also one reason they want to have this passionate beginnings somewhere else, out of this connection. Because anyway, they understood that here they are not going to get anything except money. There is no feelings, there is no love, there is no romance, there is no sex. So here, this person immediately, when they got a solution for their problem, I can say, or at least seeing things in a different way, I can say. So they become this Knight of Swords, means behaving impulsive, taking impulsive action, rash action without seeing the consequences. That young energy. Because in this connection they became old, but they did not got anything. And this person, when they changed their perception, they understood that they can get this passion somewhere else. So they immediately took action. But the things went really wrong for this person because of this rash decision, I can say, rash action, I can say. Things went wrong. So they end up like nothing, I can say. They lost this 4 of Wands. They lost this new beginning. Wherever they may be looking for this new beginning, 8 of Wands new beginning, they lost that new beginning. They lost this 4 of Wands. They lost their strength also. They are a very strong person because they have a lot of courage, lot of passion, and they are psychic. They lost that. Everything. They lost everything. And here, whoever looking for money or who is very much materialistic person, I think this 10 of Wands. They want money, so they did lot of things, they learned lot of things, they acquire lot of wisdom, they want to achieve something, they want to do something. So in the end, what will happen is, they end up with the 10 of Wands energy. Having lot in your plate, more than what you can handle. So finally, and moreover, I think, this person understood that Either they are going to understood, or they already understood that money is not everything. This Seven of Cups, this star card, is also some kind of spirituality, learning about spirituality, healing. They may be having some kind of insecurities. This Four of Pentacles is completely insecure card, losing materialistic things, becoming poor, end up in the streets, having nothing, poverty, end up in poverty. So that is also one kind of insecurities, fears. So this person understood that they need to put some work. If at all not, they need to understand. Okay, because I cannot say that which stage they are. Here it is a very beautiful connection, but because of their own, it is like, see, as I said, when we are in Two of Cups, we don't need to do any inner work and all, because our family also some kind of soul plan for soul people. So no matter how irritated our siblings may be, we accept them. How irritated our kids may be, we accept them. But when it comes to lovers, the purpose will be there. On this planet, these people need to achieve something. To that purpose, they need to follow some rules and regulations. This person is very much materialistic person. One materialistic person, how can they achieve some purpose? And one person don't know how to maintain equal give and take. They are simply giving. How long they will give? And one person don't know what is true happiness. When they understand this, they will come into union. Because I think here, they are out of this union. Four of Wands. Because here also one person is completely single. So here, this Ten of Wands, I think this King of Pentacles, who want to become King of Pentacles, whether they became or not, I don't know. If at all they became also, they will be having only money. Without only money will be there. No love, no affection, nothing. Even people around them also, they will be have only for their money. Nothing more than that. So here I cannot say that I came into this King of Pentacles energy or not. But here, maybe they came into King of Pentacles energy because of this hard work. They earned the money, but they lost all that relation, this beautiful union, these emotions, this passion and everything. That is also one reason now they need to put this work. The mistakes, whatever they did, they need to put this work. So whoever this King of Wands, they took rash decisions, rash actions. Maybe they went for some other people for this passion without thinking about consequences. So that is also one reason they lost this family situation with this person, Two of Cups. They lost this money, financial new beginnings, whatever new beginnings they are expecting in the passionate area, they lost. They end up as a lonely person. That is also with depression. And this whoever money hungry person who is very much running behind the money, they finally understood that there is something called spirituality, something called true happiness, or something called simple things. Not everything is materialistic. Maybe they need to put, if at all they are not doing, they need to put that work, they need to be on the spiritual journey, then they will become again this King of Swords energy. If at all they didn't become, because here I am not seeing anyone in this energy. Because here they are very much money minded person. So they need to learn lot of things, they need to heal these insecurities, whatever insecurities, then they will get that balance. Two of Wands. That means how to handle your materialistic things, how to handle your personal life. Here they lost that balance. Here this person know only money, and this person only giving. So this person, whoever this money hungry person, need to understand what is true happiness out of that money. It is not that we should not have money, but healthy way. Because lovers, there is a purpose for this union. So it is a very good reading. I never expected that one couple can be two of cups as well as the lovers. That means twin flame union. But here they need to put lot of work. Because in the two of cups energy, they took advantage of someone, because one person is completely giving, other person is completely taking. It is unfair. Some unfairness is happened in this union. Now if they want to come back again, because here I am seeing this four of wands in the reverse, if they want to come back again into the union, because they have the purpose. But anyway, as I always say, the lovers means purpose. It doesn't mean that you both need to wait for this connection again, union again, because lovers is one kind of choice also. If you don't want to be in that purpose, you can easily move on your own ways with your different soulmates. Okay, so I think someone is going to end up in the depression who want this passion from other sources or out of this marriage, because when you are a married person, you should look for that passion in the marriage. If at all you are not getting with your partner, there will be some kind of process will be there. First you need to come out of this union, then you will get that passion. There will be some, maybe it is like, because even this person also get into the issues. There may be a lot of health issues. Even they are going to affect this person, whomever they are dealing with. So it is complete. That's why I said it is rash decision. Rash, impulsive, immaturity. They lost everything. And here this person need to understand what is this materialistic things and what is this spirituality, what is simple living, or at least what is having a healthy life. Having money is not healthy life. That's what I said. In the plate, when we sit and to eat, we won't eat. No matter how many money, how many gold, how much gold, diamonds we may be having at home, we still eat food. Whatever our farmers are growing. Not diamonds. We cannot eat diamonds, even though those diamonds are very costly. Try to eat it once. You won't be there again. You won't be there again, okay? Still, to alive, we need to eat food, not money or diamonds. You should understand that. Nothing wrong having big. Actually, these people no need to do anything. When you have some purpose, they follow the relationship in the right way, they are going to get the 10 of Pentacles energy, because lovers means there will be some purpose for them. They can create that legacy. That is what called purpose. It is not end with one generation. So here these two idiots need to learn the lessons, because simply here really this Queen of Cups, whomever they may be, whether it is a masculine energy or feminine, they need to learn how to be generous or how to be equal, give and take. Not generous. This person is overly generous. This person don't know how to maintain equal give and take. They are simply pouring. And this idiot, Four of Pentacles energy, is they need to learn how to be generous, how to maintain that equal give and take. There is no equal give. I think this reading is going to match with only few people, because these unions cannot be happen with so many couples. It is only few people can have these things. So here you can decide, if at all you are really matching with these energies, you can decide where you are, at what stage you may be. If you are still in this energy, King of Pentacles, this King of Pentacles, whoever matching, understand that money is not everything. You need to maintain that equal give and take. And if at all you are in this Queen of Cups and King of Wands energy, understand that not just giving is not enough. You need to maintain equal give and take. If at all they are not maintaining, it is your responsibility to set that boundaries. If at all it is a Two of Cups is a beautiful union, it doesn't mean that you need to sacrifice. Two of Cups itself is telling you give one cup, I will give my cup. That is what. But here only one person is giving cup. What about the other person? They don't even have cup. Maybe this union happen in their life, whoever watching, if at all you are matching with this energy, this union is going to teach you a lot of lessons. For this person, whoever this greedy person, they will learn what is life other than materialistic things. And this Queen of Cups, who are pouring lot of emotions and done everything in the union, investing themselves without maintaining equal give and take, they will learn what is equal give and take, how to set the strong boundaries, healthy boundaries. So whoever matching, I cannot say where you are in this energy. See, not just for the Two of Cups and Lovers, whatever partnership, you need to maintain, we need to maintain equal give and take. When you see that someone is taking advantage of you, they are not maintaining equal give and take, set that boundaries. Set that boundaries. If they are not listening, cut them off. No matter whether it is a Two of Cups, Lovers, whatever may be, twin flames, whatever may be, you no need to sacrifice yourself. No, even universe or God, whatever you believe, they won't tell that you need to believe in, you need to sacrifice yourself for one connection, one family, one person. Everyone is having individual life. You should understand that. And moreover, whoever matching this Two of Cups and Lovers energy, how can you check is, you can check your north nodes. Okay, if at all your north nodes are matching with your each other, means as a twin flames, then definitely you will be having some purpose. Learn the lessons. Without learning the lessons, because I think you both are in the separation, you need to balance. First, this person need to learn what is generous, what is equal give and take. There is nothing but getting this balance, and this person need to learn how to maintain equal give and take. That is very important. Without maintaining equal give and take, depression in the end. So thank you for watching. For more readings, you can like and subscribe. For personal readings, you can mail me. You'll find the details in the description box.